Meghalaya Assembly Committee on Estimate Balalam Kmat do MLA Kanompo Umiral Bonds EM Pynpaw ya Jingsngew Hun Halor Jingtei bet Yait Rinti Jingtei Industrial Training Institute ha Sakwang Maukarwat Southwest KHASI Hills Patshan on Sapliano yaka Kani Jinglet Jurep ba Arsngi ya ka ITI da ka Estimate Committee kalong nakabenta ki South League District ha Jilla hi bakinthup ya ka West Jingtei Hills District ka East Jingtei Hills District ka East KHASI Hills District but ka Southwest KHASI Hills District.
Committee on Estimate for Meghalaya State Assembly is mandated by the government, by the Assembly to follow up issues, pending project or the ongoing project, especially with regards to the estimate that has been made, whether there are issues with regard to the escalation of rate, or maybe some issues with the estimate, and at the same time to follow up issues that the project has to be completed on time, on stipulated time, and to ensure that the quality of work is to be 100% monitored by the implementing agency.